Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be attempting to draw this portrait of Iron Man aka Tony Stark. This portrait is massively different from what we usually try to draw. So I've taken this as a challenge and tried to draw this. This is very different from the regular Iron Man portraits which we have come across regularly. This is a scene from inside the helmet of Iron Man when he looks at his instruments. The most difficult things here to draw are those instruments, the glow of those instruments. The face is okay, but the glow of the instruments and to incorporate them together with the face is a bit different and challenging over here. Well, I was not very sure in the beginning that I would be able to do this properly, so I have not drawn the entire outline right in the beginning. I thought I would first complete the left side of the portrait where all these instrument readings are there, and then see if it looks good, and then continue towards these face and the other right side. Well, all these numberings and letterings I have all done it freehand. I have not used any stencils or anything of that sort except a simple scale in some places. The basic technique what I have done here is I have used a white charcoal pencil to write all these numericals. Basically I have indented them on the paper. This paper is 250 GSM. I have slightly indented them and then I have used charcoal powder over them. So automatically the white charcoal stands out, and I have used white charcoal, Tombow Mono and a white gel pen depending upon the intensity of whiteness that is required in different places. A simple technique I have used around those indicator markings to simulate the glow pattern is the use of a kneadable eraser on the black charcoal. The more area of glow required, the more amount of kneadable eraser is used, so it gives an appearance that those markings are glowing. The face part of the sketch is pretty simple. It is I have just used charcoal pencils and charcoal powder. One thing to keep in mind here is the left eye. I mean the left eye of the portrait here is a bit darker as compared to the right, because the light of the indicator is falling on the right eye. So we just have to keep that in mind. Rest I've followed all these techniques, and let's see how it goes. Well, this is the final outcome. I am pretty satisfied and pretty happy with this sketch. I was not expecting this outcome, but I'm pretty happy. Do let me know in the comments how you found this sketch and especially the selection of this sketch. Also press the like button and share this video as far as possible. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next video with some more interesting art stuff. Till then, take care. Bye bye.